with another video. I'm doing this one kind of late right now. I wasn't feeling too good earlier, but welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I would truly appreciate it. I hope everybody is doing great. My grandbabies, I love you very much. Today we're having New York strip steak. It's just a steak. I'm not having anything else with it, but I am having A1 sauce with it, and I couldn't stay far from the Diet Coke, so I got my Diet Coke here too. So let's start. I'm gonna pour the A1 sauce first. I guess I'll just pour it on top of here and see how that goes. Okay. And here's the sauce. Oops, sorry. Here's the sauce. Okay, let's see how it tastes. It's a little charred, but I cooked it myself, so I'm not a chef at all. So here we go. Let's see how it comes out. Very good. Very good. I surprise myself sometimes. Sorry. Good. Yummy, yummy. I like mine medium rare. I think this might be medium well, if I'm not mistaken. I think I left it on a little too long, but it's still good. See the juiciness. See it? I don't know why. Every time I start my videos, I get hot. I think it's the lights. That's why I drink so much, because I get hot. Getting down to the wire here already. Dang, that was fast. It's a little more rare than right here. Not too many people like it rare, but I love my meat like this. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. I came out of nowhere. Next time I'll put mushrooms on top. That sounds good. And some grilled onions. Mmm. Getting full, you guys. I know I get full real easy, and you guys are used to seeing people eat massive amounts of food, but I just can't do it. But I hope you still enjoy my videos. This is going to be my last bite, guys. Already been 10-minute video. That was fast. Okay, maybe 2 bites because I'm going to cut it in half. So this one and then another one. I love flowers. Okay, Granny's done eating. That's all she's gonna eat for today. This part's just fatty. I don't really like that kind of fat. So anyways, thank you for watching. I pray everybody's safe. Be good, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.